will need 2 cups of frozen mango, juice of 1 lime, 2 ounce triple sec, 3 tablespoons simple syrup, 3 ounce of tequila, and 1 cup of ice. Some flaky sea salt and lime wedges. Begin by running a lime wedge around the top rim of a glass. And then you dip it carefully in the sea salt. Just swirl it around. Add your frozen mango to the blender. The lime juice, triple sec, simple syrup, the tequila, and the ice. Puree until smooth, until it turns into a slushy-like texture. And they're done. It's the perfect consistency. These margaritas are so delicious. And garnish with a slice of lime. Enjoy! Cheers!